You sent money to your Bifrost wallet, or someone told you that you received a specific crypto token, but you open your app, you look at your screen, and there is nothing there. Your heart drops. You think your money is gone. You think you've been scammed or made a horrific mistake, and the sheer panic of losing your hard-earned retirement savings sets in. Listen to me closely, stop breathing so fast. Your money is very likely right there, safe and sound. The problem is not that your money is missing, the problem is that your wallet is currently blind to it. Bifrost is a self-custodial wallet, which means you are your own bank. A traditional bank automatically lists every penny. But a crypto wallet only shows you the specific assets you have explicitly told it to look for. If you don't turn on the visibility for a specific token, it stays completely invisible. It is like putting a golden coin in a drawer and closing your eyes. The coin is still in the drawer, but you cannot see it until you choose to open your eyes. I know the fear. The fear is that you did something wrong, that you sent it to the wrong place, or that because you aren't a 20-year-old tech genius, you shouldn't be handling your own digital assets. You worry that one wrong click will wipe out your account. The cryptocurrency world can feel like a dangerous, unfeeling wilderness when you are trying to manage your future financial security. But you must not let fear paralyze you. You are completely capable of mastering this, and it takes less than 2 minutes to solve this exact issue. So, how do we fix this? How do we add that token so your balance accurately reflects your true wealth? First, I want you to open your Bifrost Wallet app on your phone. Look at the very bottom of your screen. You are going to see a menu bar, and on that bar, there is an icon that says Receive. It usually looks like an arrow pointing down or a simple card. Tap on that Receive button. Now, a screen will pop up with a search bar at the very top. I want you to type the name or the abbreviation of the token you are looking for. For example, if you are looking for a specific token on the Flare network or the XRP ledger, type it in right there. If the token is a standard asset that Bifrost already recognizes, it will appear right before your eyes in the search results. Next to the token name, you will see a toggle switch or a small plus sign. All you have to do is tap that toggle switch to turn it on, or tap that plus sign. By doing that single action, you have just given your wallet permission to display that asset on your main screen. But what happens if you type the name in that search bar and absolutely nothing shows up? Do not panic. This is where people get terrified, but there is a very simple reason for it. It means it is a custom token or a newer asset that isn't on Bifrost's automatic list yet. Right there on that same search screen, you will see an option that explicitly says Add Custom Token. Tap on that. When you tap Add Custom Token, the app is going to ask you for 3 pieces of information, but the most important one is called the contract address. This is where you must be careful, because this is where scammers try to play dirty games. A contract address is a long string of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies that exact token on the blockchain. You must get this address from a verified, trusted source, like the official website of the project itself, or trusted tracking sites like CoinMarketCap. Never, ever copy a contract address sent to you by a stranger in an email, a text message, or a social media comment. They will give you a fake address to steal your funds. Once you have that real, official contract address, copy it and paste it right into that first box in your Bifrost app. The beautiful thing about the technology is that once you paste that address, the wallet is smart enough to look up the rest of the details. It will automatically fill in the token's name, its symbol, and something called the decimals. You won't have to type those in yourself. Look over the screen one time to ensure it looks correct, and then tap the button at the bottom that says Add or Save. The moment you do that, go back to your main home screen of the Bifrost wallet. Refresh the page by dragging your finger down the screen. Suddenly, like magic, your token will appear, and your balance will update. Your money was never missing. It was just waiting for you to turn on the lights in the room. Your actionable takeaway today is to go into your wallet right now and practice looking at your asset visibility. Do not wait until you are in the middle of a high-stress transaction to learn how your tools work. True financial peace of mind in retirement comes from understanding and controlling your own environment. Take a deep breath, follow these exact steps, and protect your wealth with knowledge.